VGAC, the company that is maybe one of the most asked questions in my comment section. I read all of them, and that's why let's go into this vlog about the Virgin Group acquisition company. Let's dive directly in. So VGAC is actually the spec by the superstar, or actually the rock star of entrepreneurship from the UK, Richard Branson. He thought, now we just got a very nice deal having the spec and it's a great idea, so let's do one for Virgin Group as well. And that's why he launched it just a couple of months ago. So since then, the price was $10. We already gained about 22.55%. Now, how is this possible? First of all, there's a lot of speculation currently into the market, in my personal opinion, right? I mean, you see specs going absolutely crazy sometimes, even, in kind of bubble territory, in my personal opinion, okay? And some specs are way undervalued. So in my personal opinion, something like Virgin Galactic is way overvalued, right? But let's talk about VGAC. So they want to raise actually about $460 million. This is by offering 46 million shares, $10 each. And as you can see here, it was quite successful. Now, what they are doing then, they're actually looking for a company to acquire and then launch it on the financial markets of the United States. Okay, so they are currently trading on the New York Stock Exchange, which is fantastic because, the company itself is based on the Cayman Islands, which is, a little bit tax-free. Yes, this is what it is. However, we know that Richard Branson is like an island guy, and that's why I don't take this too bad. However, I want to really emphasize here that, Virgin Group has a huge brand, okay? I think, one of the most important parts about businesses is the brand itself. It can create a cult, it can create, a fantastic premium to its products. If Coca-Cola launched something or an unknown company launched something, you always go to the one that you already know, right? And you empathize with the brand something very positive with it, and which, gives us or the consumer then a better choice to go with this branded products. But the most important part here is that exactly about cult, brand, trends and so on, exactly I am talking about this in my 10x Masterclass. That's why go and check it out, x10masterclass.com, and with the code WOLF23 until the 7th of January you will get 23% discount. So make sure to not miss 100 never published videos. You get the lifetime access to my members only Discord, and also a 107-point checklist where you can put all the data that I'm asking there and see how of a big conviction your investment could be. So check it out, and now let's dive into further VGAC. So which business is likely to be purchased by VGAC? Now, first of all, you need to understand why he's doing that. Richard Branson and the Virgin Group was heavily hit by the health crisis in 2020 because most of the big companies in the group are actually travel companies. We have airlines, we have travel cruise ships, right? And you are actually seeing that he need to diversify a little bit away from that, and that's why I'm thinking that definitely there will be no travel company that will be acquired with this company. On the other hand, I think that he's looking for a nice business where he also can put the Virgin brand on it. So I think the business can be something that is a great product, but still could elevate into the brand more than, another company that doesn't have so much of a branding. Therefore, I'm thinking that, we might go into the tech, because on the other side, you see also that Richard Branson is very tech savvy. He likes to have technological companies under his belt. I think, it was the first step into the space industry, and, transforming and innovating into this space brought him maybe to another great horizon. I mean, he was the one who revolutionized how we enjoyed radio back in the 80s. So I think, that's a fantastic way to invest in a company that is absolutely, on the edge of innovation. And I think that, you can see also that there's more and more interest into specs, which generally gives us a great opportunity for us retail investors to be on the forefront of growth, of innovation and investment. And therefore, I'm really, really enjoying this kind of new ways that many entrepreneurs and business tycoons are doing with those specs. I think this will bring another, wave of great companies to the market, and with more companies to invest in, there's more possibilities to find a 10x company. This is what we are doing here on this channel, so make sure to subscribe and like this video. And now let's go into the conclusion. So the conclusion is that I'm currently still waiting what will happen, okay? I don't know if this is a great company. I don't know if this is a fantastic company. I don't know if this will be maybe nothing at all, but on average, the IPOs and SPACs are gaining quite well. 50 SPACs were just launched in 2020, more than that even. And, the average went up 145%. So if you're asking me, it's not the worst idea to invest already, because when it's launched, I think it will give us another, marketing boost, and it will be just so ridiculous when the stock will go maybe to $20 or $30 in just a couple of months. Okay, so you can be here a front runner, but you can also lose money. I mean, if there is, something that will burst in terms of the high valuation that we have currently, I think you can expect that specs are definitely those that will really not benefit at all, and will, decline in value quite rapidly. So I'm thinking that, you can digest those specs on the market, but please be sure to invest into companies that that you understand, that you really like the product for. And that's why I'm thinking that, you can always be subscribed, right? If you're not subscribed, consider to subscribing and like this video. I see you back tomorrow.